Have you ever seen something so impossibly fluffy that it looks like a literal cloud landed on a plate? This is the legendary Japanese cheesecake, famous for its iconic jiggle and melt in your mouth texture that defies everything you know about traditional heavy desserts. The secret lies in the delicate folding of whipped egg whites into a rich cream cheese base, creating millions of tiny air bubbles that expand in a gentle water bath. It is a masterclass in patience and precision, requiring the perfect temperature to achieve that signature airy interior. When you finally take a bite, it feels like a sweet, velvety dream that disappears instantly on your tongue. Forget heavy, dense cakes. Once you experience this ethereal masterpiece, your dessert standards will be changed forever. You absolutely have to try this recipe at least once in your life.